I actually started the business while I was working at Old Sturbridge Village as a historical interpreter, because I wanted to build an app for the village. And from that point on is sort of how the business grew. We looked at the rest of Sturbridge, Main Street Sturbridge. We talked to those businesses and we said, are you interested in websites? Are you interested in marketing online? A big thing for me since I started the company was we don't have contracts that lock in business owners to continue using our services. All of our websites and technologies are designed so they can move on to another vendor if they want to at any time. So we have our BBB seal directly on our website, and we use that BBB accreditation to communicate to other small business owners who often are BBB accredited themselves that we are willing to sort of put it right out there, our reviews. The way that we support the community, being a Wales-based business, is the first Thursday of every month you'll actually find us at the Wales Senior Center. My wife and I will repair, fix, teach how to use any device that a senior brings or any other citizen. In addition to helping out the town of Wales, because my wife is an artist and she used to sell on Etsy, I was interested in helping out the art community as well. So we built a site called My Community Made. And the big advantage of My Community Made is we actually charge nothing in transaction fees. So every time you make a sale on the site, you actually keep all of your profits, minus just the payment processing that Stripe charges. And we're hoping that that platform continues to grow and that artists can continue to see a little bit more profit out of selling their products online.